a combo challenge. Let's see which one you guys like better. First up, the bait caster. We got a braid, 50 in the bottom half, and then the other one, 40 and 50. What the fuck? We caught a Nerf gun. Oh shit. We got this one. This one we got the braided line, as you can see. This one's 50, under is 40. So you got the, oh crap, it's tangled. This jig, swim bait. And now let's show you guys the other rod. We got this rod, very nice. Very strong line, but not braid. We got the, oh shoot, sorry, splash bait. Ow, get off. Oh shit. Over here. Okay, here we go. There we go, there we go. He's tangled. Ow. As you can see, we're using this. We're also going to be posting more videos on GoPro. Peace, yeah. Comment, like for the bait caster, subscribe for this, and let's see which one gets the most, and comment if both. Which one you would take to go fishing? Well, let's see who wins.